Elvington and the WAAY 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network.
And we're seeing some improving conditions as we wrap up this holiday weekend. Decatur right now is heading towards the noon hour. You'll notice just seeing some fair weather clouds drifting overhead. And look at that, 79 degrees in Decatur should easily make it up to at least the low 80s this afternoon, if not the mid 80s. And just seeing a nice little north-northeast wind at about 8 miles per hour, bringing in some of that drier and cooler air than normal. Heading out to that pool to kind of wrap up that unofficial end of summer, you'll notice 84 degrees again for your Labor Day this afternoon. It's going to be pleasant by or even in the pool this afternoon. Maybe a little bit on the cool side with some of that drier air and a little bit of that north wind, but should be nice if you're heading out to the pool this afternoon. On the WAAY 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network, we are dry right now. Keeping a close eye on our Gunnersville radar, where we could be picking up maybe a few showers close by for parts of Marshall and DeKalb County heading into this afternoon. And if we zoom in a little bit closer for areas off to the south, you'll notice all of that activity just developing in the last 20 to 25 minutes. And that's because that front that came through earlier this morning that helped to clear us out, it's kind of slowed down and nearly stationary at this point as it drops to the south. So we'll be seeing quite a few showers and storms developing near Birmingham all the way to the Georgia state line. It's possible that some of that activity makes it up to Marshall and DeKalb County. Out about this evening, rain chances though staying pretty low all the way through late tonight. Temperatures falling to about 70 by 9 o'clock this evening. So maybe trying to get a walk in, maybe grilling as we wrap up your Labor Day weekend. Back to school, back to work for tomorrow. Temperatures in the low 60s for your Tuesday morning. Likely some fog and some low-lying spots, especially closer to some of the river and lake basins for your Tuesday morning. Morning commute looks fine at this point, and late morning, nice with the sun really starting to break through. So what we're seeing on future radar and satellite, this is 4 o'clock this afternoon. Again, this is the area that we're watching right here, closer to Gunnersville and Fort Payne. But even on future radar, not too excited here for the rest of your Labor Day. Heading to the overnight hours and into your Tuesday morning, likely seeing a little bit more cloud cover tomorrow morning, all the way into your Tuesday afternoon for areas east of I-65. And there you go. This is right around 5 o'clock tomorrow. Starting to see some more pop-up showers and storms approaching DeKalb County, but a lot of that just gets pushed off to the east into Georgia all the way through your Tuesday evening. So just not excited about rainfall chances through the next couple of days. Through the next 7 days, look at that. Staying pretty dry for areas near and west of I-65. And even that light green that you see on the map, that's closer to about a trace to 1/10 of an inch all the way through this upcoming Sunday. Not a whole lot of rainfall for North Alabama, but we are right on the line, and that's due to that same front that's just off to our south. It's really going to kind of take into a lot of that tropical moisture front of the Gulf of Mexico, and we're also tracking a potential tropical system moving ashore closer to the panhandle of Florida, right into Georgia. Thankfully, another cold front coming in by Wednesday. It's going to keep us well off to our south and east. This is the area that we're watching right here. The National Hurricane Center gives it a 30% chance of developing over the next 5 days. And you'll notice the overall track. That's where it'd be moving if it does develop, closer to Florida and into the Carolinas. Now look at future radar and satellite. That's it right there. This is 5 o'clock on Wednesday. Takes some time for it to approach the panhandle of Florida. This is 10 o'clock on Wednesday. And then our front coming in Wednesday evening, it's going to push it off to the southeast. So not too concerned about seeing any indirect impacts here. 7-day forecast, 86 by tomorrow. Similar for your Wednesday, and then that's it for our rain chances. You'll notice Thursday back to the low 80s, eventually climbing to the mid 80s by Saturday, upper 80s by Sunday, but a pretty dry forecast all the way through the next 7 days.